What's the meaning of collection? Collection. Collection.
Collection. Collection. Collection refers to a group of items or objects that have been gathered or accumulated together. This can include physical items such as artwork, books, or antiques, as well as digital content like music or photographs. Collections can be curated for various purposes, such as personal enjoyment, educational study, or public display in museums or galleries. The act of collecting can also be a hobby or profession. In summary, collection refers to a group of items that have been collected and can serve various purposes based on the collector's intentions.